Hello, what are you doing? What are you fucking... Jesus, like, you're not looking, lady. Choose love. Choose these nuts. Got him. Well, oh man, now I'm hot, and I'm sweaty, and I'm pissed. My Endurance GoPro battery, which was fully charged, oh, that air. Now I'm hot, sweaty, pissed. I swapped my battery for my GoPro before I left the museum. I was just in there literally like less than 30 minutes. Walk through, cool, hey guys, bye. Back on my way, and I'm rolling down the hill, and I hit record, and nothing happens. Don't know why it does this. Hello, what are you doing? What are you fucking... Jesus, like, you're not looking, lady. You're not fucking looking. I know I was going fast, but you're not looking. You're not fucking looking. Anyway, GoPro battery doesn't work. I'm pretty sure it's like totally shot. We're gonna test it again when I get home, but I figured, like, I'm riding home, I'm going a different way home. I wanted to be recording, so I'm really glad I actually brought the batteries today. I typically don't. I'm typically not out that long. Hebron. I thought I was gonna get into... I was in Colchester already. Now I don't know where I'm going, but we're gonna figure it out. We will figure it out. Ain't no thing. Threw her arms up. Maybe she looked left before she actually got to the stop line at the stop sign, but she rolled way past it looking to the right. I could see her. Like, good thing nobody was coming the other way, because I went right over the deli yellow. I think I didn't need to, but I did, obviously. Maybe it was a little exaggerated, but better safe than sorry, right? The other thing I wanted to do before I got going again. My GPS just freaking stopped. I don't know why. I don't know why all of a sudden I'm like, I'm pretty sure I just made a wrong turn, but it's okay, it'll correct itself. Nothing. And I just checked my phone before I got rolling again, so I know it's not working. So look at these views, man. Look at some of these views. Gilead is. Gilead? Gilead? Choose love. Choose these nuts. Got him. Roasted. Wow, dude, freaking beautiful. Beautiful. Zooby zooby zoo. So I'm not navigating, I'm literally just trying to go town by town right now and hoping that when I get to Colchester again, which I was in it before I started recording, and then all of a sudden, boom, I'm not there anymore. But there was a sign that pointed towards Colchester, which I kind of know Colchester. So I want that house. I want that red house all the way back there. Sir. Back in Hebron again. Gosh darn it. Okay, no, Route 66 though. We love Route 66. Which way is Route 66? We want 66 west. We're gonna go this way, yes. Across Route 66. Oh, I didn't actually lock it. That was weird. I don't want to lock it. I don't want to lock it. Cheers to this person for not pulling out in front of me. See, like, I thank people like this. Thank you, sir. He didn't even see. That's fine. Maybe he'll appreciate it. Maybe he'll know. Be a hog. They were having fun. I can see it. We don't mind Route 66 out here though, I'll tell you. Far along I am though, that's the thing. The Painted Eagle Rock. Now I kind of recognize where I am. I mean, not like really, but I've been here before. You know what I'm saying? Only 12:15. Model bottle. I really want to pass these people, but I don't like doing it on downhill, dude. That just seems like dumb, you know? It just seems like really dumb. Even when I got that big of a sight line, you know, it's like, I don't know. You get going way faster, way quicker, obviously. And it just seems like, you know, well, I feel like to an extent, if a cop or somebody were to see you passing somebody and you're doing like 60 and a 45, if you're going downhill and passing 3 of them at once and all of a sudden now you're doing 90 and a 45, that looks a hell of a lot worse. Because it is. Who'd have thunk it? Textbook logic right there. Groundbreaking.